Hey guys, this is Michaela M with Variable Traders. You could just call me MK, or if you're Andrew, you could call me Michaela. Either one is fine. Uh, Andrew asked me to do some recaps for him, which I'm fine. I can do the video recaps if you like them. And I've been with Variable Traders for about 2 or 3 years now. Ever since they used to be called Vancouver Traders, and I had a membership that was $10 after I read Andrew's book. So that's when my day trading journey began. Andrew taught me how to trade. It's really cool. So let me get into my trades. I'll show you guys how I do my recaps. I write them down in this program called Evernote. And so basically I take notes right here. I put the ticker symbol in here, and then what I did, I go short or long. And if it's an A, B, C, D, or F trade, or in this case, this one was a break-even trade, which I take a lot of break-even trades because they keep me amused and they're fun. Yeah. So basically, I took 3 trades today. I took SFIX, which is called SFIX, and they missed their earnings. That was their catalyst. Basically, I look at the daily chart, I look at the 60-minute, and then I look at 5-minute. And then for my scalp trades, I do 2-minute. Usually I don't trade the first like 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. But today it was different because just the way the daily chart was lining up. Here, I'll show you a better example. Oops. Sorry. So this is a daily chart, SFIX. Basically the reason I thought this one, it had this like big gap down, I figured it was going to sell off more because it was under this resistance line. So it didn't really have any support underneath of it. That's why I thought it would have been a good trade. Let's see. And so that's why I went short. It had this big push up and then it was pushed back down. That's where I shorted. I covered some right here. And then I got all out right here. Because the trend was reversing. Then I looked at some other stocks for a while, but I came back to this trade. I went long here. Usually I try to have my entries as like sniper as possible. I'd buy right here, but I knew the stock was going up. It didn't give me a better pullback, so I went long right here, and I knew it was gonna go up. So I sold some here, sold more here, and then I got all out right here. But what's cool about this program is like you can annotate stuff. Like here, let's see. You can use arrows. So I went short there. And then like I covered all right there. But like this is where I went long, sold some, and then this is where I got all out. I usually don't do this too often, but I'll show you guys because it's cool. I used to do this all the time. Now I just kind of just recap my trades. Yeah, but that's that. So my next trade was American Airlines. This was a break-even trade. You know, I like doing the break-even trades, like they keep me amused. I went long here. I figured like as long as this thing over VWAP, it had potential to like go up a lot, but it didn't do that. So it had some like dojis. So I covered some here. Well, sold some here, and then I sold the rest right here. Break-even. My next trade was Carnival cruise ships. They've been like all cruise lines have been selling off a lot. just due to Corona, and they were considering lowering their dividend, which can like really hurt the stock. And so what I did with the stock was I shorted some here, shorted more, and then I shorted more. Andrew kind of scalped this area today. I knew it was gonna bleed the rest of the day, just like the way the chart was lining up. So I was planning on holding it all throughout the day, but basically I sold some, covered some here, covered more, and then like at this time I covered some, like I didn't have like too many shares left, so I just kind of figured I'd hold it for the rest of the day. But what happened was Trump had a press conference and he started addressing how they were going to help the cruise lines with the Corona problem. So basically, once he started speaking, like it got all this volume, and then I got stuck in the trade. It got halted, so I had to wait for the trade to resume, and then that's when I got out. But still, I didn't have like too many shares. Like it was a really good trade. Yep, those are my trades for today. I hope you like this. Let me know if you want to see more of my recaps, because I could do them like every day if you wanted me to. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think in the description. Alright, peace out guys. Thanks for watching.